It is a beautiful day here in San Francisco in January, and we're here with Joshua James.
The beach is right over there. You just can't see it.
All right.
And this is Ocean Beach Cafe. Come on in.
All right.
This is one of the first non-alcoholic bars and bottle shops in the country. I think we were like number 3 or 4. We've been open for 2 years. It'll be 2 years in about 10 days. So I pretty much live here, and this is how much deliveries that we get all the time. I've sold hundreds of bottles of the best non-alcoholic wine in the world over the holidays. That's been exciting, but I got something super cool to show you. Come here. This is my old office. And I acquired an address, watch your head. And this is my happy place. It's a speakeasy and it's a private event space.
Brilliant.
We do tastings here for an hour. I will taste you on all of these things. We do non-alcoholic mixology classes. I'll teach you how to make 3 different cocktails. And then we have a club and we throw them a party in this space once a month. And that's why we have, kind of cozy, totally different vibe. It's a real speakeasy, it's invite only. So you can't tell anybody. San Francisco's worst kept secret.
Excellent.
Watch your head.
Woo.
Come on down.
Yeah. So tell me, what's next? This is dry January 2023 already. What do you expect happen for the next 6 months and the next 12 months?
There's going to be a bunch of people that slept a lot better this January, and they're going to be like, I think I'm going to kind of keep going with that. Gray area drinking, sober curious is going to get even bigger. Damp January was a new thing that happened this month. People are going to be cutting back on their alcohol consumption because they found really cool craft non-alcoholic IPAs and amazing non-alcoholic wines, and they're going to be drinking like a third less or like half as much than they were before because of these desirable options that did not exist. Now they do. It's helping them drink less. This is not as much about abstinence and sobriety. This isn't a sober room. This is a place where people learn about these beverages, and it helps them drink less.
Excellent. Excellent. Well, I can't wait to come back and bring all my friends and let everybody know about this great, beautiful business and a great person. Joshua James, new friend, Ocean Beach Cafe, that's the place.
It was awesome to meet you, Michael. We talked about so many cool things. Thank you for coming all the way down.
Thank you. All right, we'll see you soon.